Hey everybody, Mike here. So I want to show you my new and awesome deep research tool that will save you so much time, extremely helpful for people creating content online, the Deep Dive AI Researcher. To start, you can have the AI do research, post an article link or certain topic and talking points you would like to cover, and the researcher tool will do the rest. You can add certain things you would like included in the script, like intro, outro, things you might say in every video, and the channel name. You can save this information to auto-populate for every script to save you time. Now, let's test it out. For example, let's say you have a true crime channel and want a topic to discuss. Go to the search and put homicide, and you can either have Google's Gemini conduct deep research or OpenAI can conduct the research. Note, Google's research is currently more extensive and accurate, but regardless of either tool you use, make sure to confirm once the script is generated. This is just a great starting point. After the script is generated, you can do a quick Google search to confirm the story, timeline. Then once that is done, you are ready. The deep research will show a summary, video script, SEO help like titles to use for your video, thumbnail concepts for the video, tags to use, 3 clips you can include in the video, and a description for the video. This information is saved in your history tab or can be deleted if you choose. This is an awesome tool that saves me so much time I wanted to share. Right now, we are offering 50% off your first month. Just use promo code HALFOFF at checkout. Head over to deepdiveairesearcher.com to start using for free.